What are the 5-step process we should use to research target market for successful online course? Researching your target market is crucial for the success of your online course. Here's a 5-step process you can follow. 1. Identify your ideal student persona. Define the characteristics of your ideal student, including demographics, age, gender, location, psychographics, interests, preferences, values, educational background, and professional aspirations. Consider factors such as their goals, challenges, pain points, and motivations related to the course topic. 2. Conduct market analysis. Research the broader market landscape related to your course topic. Identify existing competitors, similar courses, and other offerings targeting your audience. Analyze their strengths, weaknesses, pricing, course content, delivery methods, and marketing strategies. Assess market trends, opportunities, and potential gaps or underserved segments within your niche. 3. Gather audience insights. Use a combination of qualitative and quantitative research methods to gather insights into your target audience. Conduct surveys, interviews, or focus groups to understand their needs, preferences, pain points, and learning preferences. Analyze social media discussions, online forums, and community groups related to your niche to identify common questions, challenges, and topics of interest. 4. Keyword research. Use keyword research tools, example Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, Ahrefs, to identify relevant keywords and search terms related to your course topic. Look for keywords with high search volume, low competition, and strong relevance to your target audience's interests and needs. Explore long-tail keywords and specific phrases that indicate intent to learn or find solutions within your niche. 5. Validate demand and feedback. Test the demand for your course topic by offering free or low-cost lead magnets, webinars, or mini courses to gauge interest and collect feedback. Monitor engagement, conversion rates, and feedback from participants to assess the level of interest and identify areas for improvement. Iterate on your course concept, content, and marketing messaging based on the insights and feedback gathered during the validation phase. By following this 5-step process, you can gain valuable insights into your target market, validate the demand for your course topic, and tailor your course content and marketing strategies to effectively meet the needs of your audience. Multiple perspectives on a topic, stimulate critical thinking, and foster engaging conversations among panelists and audience members. These are just 2 examples of effective live webinar formats, and there are many other variations depending on the specific goals and preferences of the presenter and audience. Ultimately, the key is to choose a format that aligns with the content, audience preferences, and desired level of engagement.